enra obekaya da sebo sebo so Asante Mampong Manhene e di nsem bi ebeto dwa na nsem wo de beto dwa na se ne nhyehyeye enso ebomu yie pa wo chie mu se eye NDC mebunu a wo gina eye Asante Mampong asa so ka nsem bi a na emudu no omomo up to ene 12 p.m. se womo amfa nsem bi eda ebe ma na koma ato ne yemu ameto abonten dia ene obepusi no ho amoma usampa. He is the man who sits on the silver stool of Asante Man. Mesha mo boss say san komodi nya bamu a NDC mabunu no e dey chop aba anaso omo bring out any statement a be be ba be somo say dey be ehye mo bo a ye no san so ada eye afia Schwarzenegger me a menu abadanse ni dey share prekope wodi nsem bi enso abetudwa efa eye boko ensem na ebebo awura mi etie eye wono nso. And do not forget say when it comes to eye boko update na that she bebre ayede baba be sumu mu dupa. So after this video watch out for the other update on eye boko. You don't want to develop boko issues no, because I don't want you to miss any portion, any bit of whatever that is going on in eye boko. Sad news di mu dupa ebobo e free eye boko me mo rem ni kwoti NEC mebuno nsem a wo mo de ababa betudwa currently akwa ba ko no kan kwase asem no ono na metwen no ne du ni so ase de bisia fire no me mo rem
yo abusuafo ye fa affiliation so na no pa ye chia Ghana fo nyina na ya chia Asante Mampong Man da so be o se busu a what silver stool so ene ni wo fa ase na na hema eja kuma du fi ene anope ye chia mo nyina e kasa free NDC akachi Asante Mampong party.
There's a uti nsem di am sure. I don't know, but I believe say Asante Mampong Manhene in the offer senior Asante Mampong Manhene dia. Then I believe say Asante Mampong Manhene nsem odi tudwa enra said the offer asibi honhom tisi ne so bo ko di wo mu dwuma pa. And I believe say Asante Mampong Manhene and then your kokko kana adwen enso chu enyo ba ba sia ne ne de mami bienti
office. Enaka krei eda ukuada ne ne yawada so. And sensem bi esi wo NDC party office. San seme ba yi ene e di efin aka Asante Mampong ama aka akonwa the silver stool a da sebre etiso. Enti ene party empanifo ahia se enema ekọ so a entwa yie nyina no ye fa fidie so na ye de chawpa ama the traditional council ye de chawpa ama Asante Man ene Mampong Man ene Ghana fo nyina video no mu no na ye nkomo no na ye wo botaye bet kasa bi eba akiri a kasa no entwa yie eno na ede saa efi aka Asante Man eti ene kasa bi a ye tin wo akiri a anya ye nde a ama Ghana fo obia eka bi no saa nipa a omo ne ye edi nkomo no enyina e wo party office ha ye bema obia akwanya na nsem a efiri omonum baaye no obia apa ho kyew se ne akoma beto yem ye nyina ye nipa baako Asante Man enye yimu Mampong Man enye yimu na asundwe a ene yen atena Asante Mampong ha emresante nyina no akoso ene yen atena na saa political parties a ewo Asante Mampong no coexistence na akoso na asundwe eye adwuma etimprempren de eja ama wona yete wone a nsema efiri omanum ba ye no ehu se eye kasa twitwie no na omo akasa ama ewiase nyina ate omo nka
mpanifo ya chia
akwawe mabona to ho akwawe mabona to ma memfa ne to ha na akwawe menene wonsem ka bebre sa akwawe bietie no
to mo safre mo mobile ense nano asemo a isi no me femi kwadwo boatin me na me kasa awo mu no ina nada sibro se bonsu afre ya tuyefo ti mfumso ya ba kasa mu ne me kasa me kasa yi ya santini me free Asante Mampong beni makura si ni beni free ya confront hene efie ti mesramo adisema me kan na chewpa na me de nam na nanom so se mfumso bi e call da sibro se bonsu a hemfie bia e dia chewpa efa fidie su efa na nada sibro se bonsu ajo ndama simpanifo
Onananom
akwayi okasa sisi de ma bin committee kakra kwase yi akwayi odun ane gina simpie so ebo ate ma men kan sa timi gina so bo ate wo bema unim nyansa che obia wa Asante Mampong yenya wo na kire o mema Asantini ma pa wo firi benim Asantini ma pa a wo free bedim ai a wo din eye kwadwo boaten wo senka bibie ni a wo koma wo kuroma obi ansra wo ana obi anhyew se koye NNC ni ene yekuo ne opɛ ana wo join ne name when it comes to say didima wo ne bi nia party semu fa ho when it comes to say yem build oman a party semu fa ho mami ka asam kyerɛw hwɛ sɛ yenya sankofo we be du ewa Asante Mamu a I tell you say oh mani nua Asante ni position baako say em build Asante Mamu. Let me tell you this. Asante has been tagged as an NDC member before. Otumfo, he has also been tagged as an MPP member before. When it was Atamel's era, hey, the whole Asante, the whole Ghana, they were tagged Otumfo Asante. Say, oh, you NDC ni mapa. And Sana Bekaisu Akofo personal. The same thing. No more see Otumfo, a MPP. Into one kasa, the political party Otumfo, affiliated to or joining. Hey, it will be very hard for you to know because party be a hey, no click. What I will say we here support are regardless. Or no your so Ghana, and we have history of Otumfo, our Boa Mahama. We have history of Otumfo, our Boa Ayekofo. Two different political parties. CPP ba, UPP ba, KLP, Kraba. Otumfo ebe kire wodo. De hian se Ghana ebe ko dedim. Na wo nipa bi sei, ana akotire Otumfo akonya so a. E de so nka be kuma asantefo nyina. Why your pempem said ye did that say at the chuo when nim the ding sa kokora kotodwe. Ah wo dua no mpo na wo ye mu sei. Obi nim akoye friend ko yobo ati on for phone. On for video in command. On for wedding command say me K1ng Ghana say me no nkomo. You see, the history of Kwame Triano and Yaba Betiano, on the Ayanokre. Won't say Ayanokre. Won't say Ayanokre. Yes, the Muni, our one Kaye, our Bekadia Santama Ayamanon, or Lumpu Jina Santa Mampo, and Kankwa Sasemia, could you what in Kaye de Biarada? Because on him say, when it comes to unity and love, pure love, see the teacher of Maya, politics, Yam Pantonche. Obekai said the Asante G and fell, I will a Asante Mampong. Now, Asante ni mapa, I'll free benim. Woman also you near mama. Gina publicly, Etimia Cassette, see the position in Mount Santinia. Asante Bianteki, Nipa way created no better Asante Mamu. But someone tracking that he was so free for penny, and also come for him, Effie, Ewo Benim. Obekoma and Confonam Gosu come for him, Effie Hobia. I know when you heard also Asante for. Asante ni papa de timi yan kwase asem sey. Kwame tia, you know my ho. Onyi no nuanom ho. Enti regi be pa de betimi atena te se be yi mensunu agu e de wowo ne habaya baba be chemu. Nipa be pa say Eastern region ni, Western region ni, meni asem enti tribe be pa de betimi akanse. Me pamo me de e de hoho baba be fra. Se nye jimi na wajimi a. If politics and your choices are then gave you a politics, political parties, and your choices to be any time amount. What's the other thing? So, free same Northern region, especially Boko, as an NDC member, and I see money, and I can't same way Boko. Say me. Semuni a me free boko say man prusi ana kusasi mempre e ma kusasi boko ni e ma me MC e wa de biara da mema asantefo na komakum long time ago wouldn't be entia because ye bianom ni nim say omuntimi enyi wo sono emfa habanship into the moment you made such a statement there no the people of boko no kusasi man prusi they are supposed to know say we sell out komakum because unyina wunyanom ho what me Asema American, Semuni Bishame, Eastern region Bishame, voter region Bishame. They are even surprised. They are even questioning themselves. According to Asante Ampa. Now, if you are Santini, no Timika, Assassin with Yaniano. Mempre Mammy and Santini able to keep position you had that means who were Juma on fast Santini money be da. How can the pure Asante have such hatred? Is it because of political party? But I'm at the grand Yena Mua after Musa. Some of the regions no enyini our Ghana because ye nyani pem say no free Eastern region no Eastern region here Eastern region enkoso da odi kumano because on pray money die mu da ye nyani pem say no free anguna mem I have been hearing reports of such issue in voter region. See voter region ni nya adwuma on fani nuanom voter for. I got that report. I don't know whether it's true or not. Sanko be say no, Omuna entimi mwa mine. Tisako Yamuni. That's a young Nani Peduma, pushing in order, or be based on politics, political parties, some take decisions. Where you financial children offering crying, on play money in your can afford that. Why? Because of political parties. Set people see and form to grow. Me, that's it was able to. K1ng Ghana, Onana. Say, would tear me pan, I would take a decision for me. So be tear me. Me the minute to me be a match on you, Nana. But say, how mama couldn't get you a light, or prove to me who can crab the Busamia some. Second, at the end, I could come and find my cousin Kitchadis. More minor. Well, bet me a man for a line or my Asante Mampong Manhene. Just because of politics. Wait to me bet me as a no feeling say I say nana when I ma abani ewie mu ma this party ntino e ho abufu nti obet me ahye da de ja abeto palace wo nipa we ye fa ne chichiri kromani ye because wa would die mu want me anidi anko wa e himfa na wo betimi adidi akọ akwai e fe ne kodwo boatin oboman onye ni papa oye wudini so wo hwe ne tebi otewo kra na chopa na opa no enye I say and yet from the heart. It's because of say, my friend 24. That is the first statement they'll make it. Okay, bet me a quiet was say my friend 24 and you have a patch. Would you upper tier quasi upper tier? Tienwa, would the mamma opportunity? Would it? The first statement. And say, Nano, I say more I see. Family called you boating, and I'm Casa woman. And another zero sable suit, after 2 years 4. And from swear by Casamo, name young Casanga make us say, yes, Antini, be free as Asante Mampong. Benny, Macrassi, Benny. Be free. Confront him a fee. Timis Ramo. At some American, I chop and I'm the name anonymous. What no? Oh, baby, I'll send command as a free. The first statement in pay free nano after introduction. I chop on the bedroom. Asante Mampong Manhene free in 2 years 4. Yenny can't say, see no, intino. It you patches say. See, I'm frail and 2 for the year. Count him yansa, sa some now kind of bomb or baby patch. This kind of person, when you will crew bet me a coon in your Asante for only because of politics. Ocean a pump muni ni training a swan. Agwawe, there is no way out wa abi papa bet me a piefling trim. Way we see munia will come to for. Say we encrania will be come in your cry for. Way so we see silent near will be come in your sisala for. Say way of free western, eastern, central, baby of free book chronomai. Onyeni papa. A chop and a piano is because of some Freddy 24. Sankasa conference no. Asante Mampong Manhene friend rano. Me yanka Sanche ma enka de wanyina dui papa panyini de wanyina dui wonim se nkwase asem ana woka afi na obi betu fo mo we nyina afraye mo we nyina afraye be de na Ghana no akoso imagine se President John Dramani Mahama eti akonya so na yato aba no akwakodi MPP for nsa but 7th January remember now the next president and the next government not swear into that so could the 2 minutes say the constitution the man no has house me lose power there and the Ghana crime because ton ama Burkina Faso because me who say Ghana for eji mama to abana ma me ko ton ama Burkina Faso. You think this will speak good of Mahama? You think say it will be good? You see how about me to minimum not because of anything but because of say oh a man of peace ye the nature chiri kura ye When we send ye, Mahama a so any. Now what bam niano. Na enkomo ba abontin we see feel cherished. Said ye baomia ayeno. A so we the chiro me ye. Viati nyina abo baomia baso no. You see, it wasn't because of some Mahama was stopping to acknowledge Baumia publicly, but because he saw in Baumia said this man is a peaceful person and sick people and ye diom chichiri sa kwa woti we ye de chichiri kura enye peace anymore. Obia utimi fra ahokwo e ma mo chichi no ma wa Asante Mampong. You don't see you don't see how serious this issue is. Nipa what you are Asante what me fra hoko no much sinoma e was Asante Mampong. Hey! Nipa be de fra yemu yi. E kro ni be ye die. E mo we fra yemu a e be ye die. Hey! Hey, eti ebe no mo ya na ya wo mo ya na nyansa do mo ti konkora ni wa. I don't know. Nyansa bi da ti konkora ni mu ana. I say if it's over count kwasi asem no kodwo boate utie me make be all the other journalists bloggers can some content creators also me fire okra unim dey because na me twa minim say e there that sebrebe make press conference no be demand for apology that apology ne ba me ma calculate what long time ago ma bo what na sa apology ne ba na me nya wanim ato sei na me no akasa nipa bi sei yemfa na chire kro we nipa form to the lowest degree now also we ofri confrontation fie confrontation who hwe wa be disappointed in you. I'm telling you say nananom nkonyo mo confrontation fie e wo benim etimi tie nsem a wo kan ye nano yawada se wo kwada no they will be disappointed in you say wo fun because a confo na honhom ne boa me chechira Asante efra honhom pa ni nyina chechira Asante Mampong chechira Asante dia Asante Mampong hinenim e dia akoanim Asante hine ntimi nkwa wono abekọ se Asante hine bekọ mpokra wono yenja na ma wono nkọ because confo no chese aso mere honhom etimi di kosi Asante hine den time anemu kwakon enyisu ajan enyisu atu gina ho ne enya wo de ebe ye obia. This was a pure sacrifice out of love, a man of peace. And the bet me who say he hear a leader into the mess sacrifice him who say and Asante Mampong at that time did it. Humility, with all due respect, just because he wanted a configuration that will live in the terms of history, the world will never forget it. And I'm pa the oyeni mirebino ama Asante timichi chiri besine e ka wabwe ya na ka Asante Mampong wai. And due to that aspect of the issue of that Sibro was able to lineage, and now Makunya na kesi besi na now, Utimi Jina Hokase, we are Mamponi. Unim baby au free na bakwasam. Ah, Kontonji. Obu a here kuma, nenana no. I don't believe it. Ebu etimi hi ekuma. Unimekuma. Ekuma is a weapon of metal. Ebu is a stone. But the bone to me ekuma because they near they are persistent. And then you know job you should be around the befi wo. We are bua who ekuma udanie. Unya bua we here ekuma. Unka Asante Mampong wusu no because I believe so na nanom aw mo free beni mabusu mu no. Sabe they are very disappointed in you. Unko befi wajimi because of politics in here. 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 Wo fira Asante Mampong ade si busu ani mu a na kebia nkonwa ni bi no silver stool no kawo ton ama nananom a wo mo ahohom free eye konfohini fie wo ko mo hwehwe wakun. We are disappointed to the people of Asante Man. Obewa Asante Mampong bi ani wo mo ka tell say me ken me say we a disappointed personality among the people of Asante Mampong. Oh no nuanom we are fun wo ma party didi witrim ama wo tan wo nuanom wonya wo mo kura obekun won witrim osun. No wonder say we three ayes akokora kotodwe na minim say nananom hompa a wo free eye benim konfohini fie ombeso da ya kanya nsasema to tirim say nkwase asem na wo kan ne pa achew a emu hwam enya achew a ye because of see a two for say because unsa and I'm sure say there will be a day ababa konhwe san konya konfohina konya na di na woni pa bi say ye do kwotena konfohina konya so e wo benim a nti konya no ho no ma wo nton de unye ni papa yetimi fa chichiri kru ema ni nyi ya hwe na so
semfumsuo bi ekọ da sebro sebo nsu ahemfie bia no e dia chawpa e fa afide su e pa na na da sebro sebo nsu acho medam asen
onananom e di die mu a boni bia amaye bia mfumsuo bi amaye bia mesre na nam se omomfa ncheme na enya sa na me pa akire nti mensada mensayem
wahu sedi yenua ba asremuni ni pa acho wahunu
mfumsuo bi amaye mfa ncheme
wahunu
nti dia me woka no
wahunu nanso akwa ba ko ne nsem okan ye no emu oduro kodwo puate nsem okan ni mu oduro sin di obia kan ye ye frɛ me tu me fonti no ai sensi bi am kan ye no nti no mo fa ncheme ya mfrɛ wan tu fo ade won fie duri e wa brabo bi ka won nim nyansa se obe pa acho who said your banner patron? One shall see and free. Hey, Asante Kasa Mudu. Maybe I won't tell Asante Kasa once. What your chopper in your banner? I shall directly feeling remorse. I want to cast him to no, and yeah, and a chopper will be based on see a two in the frontier. The first statement you make during an apology is very, very important because it describes all the other points I'll be bearing. A chatto. A be a winning monty.
And I have James Siama Kufiasi.
Cratchy, interior.
Mampong Vice Chairman, Constituency Vice Chairman. Now, no seminar is see Wahani in our say individuals, the Abufu Nebaha. It's normal course in our for Yeshia and they are condemning. Then say a bassa and the pass of the be the Abufu for the fear bar, ya, nana, no, as on edging. Nti ebi firi anti obi a won nsem wo kan he nti wona wo kan de enye wo nyo na me adom ye ne wo mo akasa ama wo so abepacho nti as a constituency ya nso so sa nsem no so na mpanifo se obi ma oba achia na me no na ojeso nti na de ba ye no free FM, free nyina no na say your constituency na ye ehun efodie no na ye pa ho chew timbra o mo akasa wie no na ye nso ye gina Mampong constituency ni nyina na ye de chew pa no amana na Mampong hene ene ne wo fa ase na dufu say the see ye bia no o mo fa nche ye na ye ne o mo guso a ye ntutu ye kasa say de be ya the fufuro bia ensa emadi yada mo ase se na no peso ya frem se momra na yemfa mo so ma amansan nyina ante ya esi ye na obufu a ebinom de kasa ye no e ma nananom so anya wo mo de na yempa ho chew na mo so mo aba yada mo ase bi
awusha na sense mo de ekosi ye enonom afia Schwarzenegger den simbia ba betudwe mu odro pa and a message to Utum for the Asante. But I don't want the video to be very long. Not just that, but because we say BBI be boom CCA, the whole notification be on my hand in the phone. So because of that, may the best on the next video, maybe in the next 3 or 4 hours. Then when you are the me and Macquaca Cotwaso. We don't want to make us more so. Set up a shame of what's up in the bedroom. Sir, 12 for the boy, you know. I'm in some kind of details. I'm a dear Baba soon. The message here on our next video. In case of any update, Munya Kindi on the next video. Do not forget to switch on your notification bells. So him on TikTok, TV show, YouTube, Facebook, and Edino, K1ng Ghana, Macau.
K1, oh boy, Juma, we did the Jacob. So now see commentary or social media. No style of blogging, fantastic. So you see commentary, news in the bar. So you see commentary for home. So good. Keep on going.
And the start also the ebema other tribe afulu. Unyi sorted. Undia temni. That's how becano. It's so painful. I know shit. I don't know. Say okay commentary like or you as a presenter, sports presenter that they are. And we maybe I also train free debate. It's all good. Oh yeah, dear. K1ng Ghana, K1ng will try pa.